In this video, I'm going to show you passive income ideas that every single student can do to pay their fees this year. Now, I know a lot of students find it difficult to pay their fees or are struggling in school, and they simply depend on people to help them pay these fees, but it's not supposed to be that way. If you're a student and you are watching this video, just stick around because you're going to learn a lot. I'm going to be showing you how you can pay your fees without depending on your parents or relatives or anybody at all. I'm not going to be selling you any courses or anything. This is strictly passive income ideas that I myself have tried and it's working for me. So I'm not going to be selling you any courses if you think that is what this video is all about. So let's go straight to business. I have 5 passive income ideas right here that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. The last one is very important and very few people know about this. Very few people are doing this and taking advantage of it. So if you're a student and you're watching this, just stick around to the very end because that is the most profitable passive income idea I'll be sharing with you guys today. So the first one on my list is actually creating and selling courses on Udemy and Skillshare. You see, as a student, we have a lot of knowledge and ideas about things, maybe subjects that we are knowledgeable about, and there's a potential for us to create courses and sell to people who need those topics, those things that we are talking about. So if you're a student and you have a particular topic, or you know a particular topic or subject that you are very good at and you can teach, make sure you make a course on that, structure it properly into chapters or series, and then sell it on a website like Skillshare or Udemy. I remember when I was in school, I do have my fellow course mates paying me money just to teach them how to code. I studied computer science, so a lot of my course mates do not know about coding or how to write a website, how to design a website, or programming in general. So I had idea on this and I leveraged that opportunity. I took advantage of that opportunity to create courses to teach my course mates how to write code and programming and all that, and they paid me money for doing that. So if you are a student, you can also do that, but instead of getting students and teaching them in the classrooms or maybe in your house, you can just create a one-time course that you can sell on those websites, and these people who are in need of those courses or the wisdom that you have poured into that course will pay a particular amount of money for that particular course. So you can be making money every single day just from one course that you have made and you have sold on a particular platform. So you don't need to come out every day to be teaching on a particular topic. As long as you have made a course on that, just sell it on the website and watch the money rolling in. So that is the first passive income ideas for students to make. The second passive income idea is watching Google Ads. I have made a video on this before, so I'm not going to be talking more about it, but if you want to know more about watching Google Ads and making money, just stick around to the end or check the description and I will link down the video in the description. Now you can watch Google Ads and get paid $1 for every single ad you watch. $1 per minute, literally $1. I'm not joking, guys. Just by watching ads, just by following the steps that I have given you guys in that video, you are going to be making a whole lot of money from watching Google Ads. That's 1 minute per day. You can be getting $1 for every 1 minute of Google Ads that you watch. So watching Google Ads is a good way of making money online, although it's not really going to give you much. You probably might not make much money from watching Google Ads, but it is a good way to have some amount of money in your pocket and not be stranded. So watching Google Ads is one example of the passive income ideas that you should consider as a student this year. Now let's move on to the next passive income idea. Did you know that you can actually get paid to chat with lonely people online? Like, this side hustle is very funny. It's quite a crazy one because I haven't imagined that I can get paid chatting with people online before, until when I came across a video that taught me about how to get paid just chatting with people. So you just go to the website, create an account. I have made a video on that also, so I'm going to be linking all these videos in the description. But guys, this is a very lucrative side hustle because you just come online and just like what you do on Facebook, WhatsApp or Instagram, you just chat with people that you have not met before, and you are going to get paid just by chatting with people that are probably depressed or they are lonely and need a company or something. This is a very good side hustle that you should consider, although there are disadvantages of engaging in this kind of side hustle, but I'm not going to be saying that in this video because I have already said everything that needs to be said in the video that I'm going to link down in the description. So if you want to check it out, just go to the description and check out the video. But just know that you can get paid chatting with people online. So it's high time you stop wasting your precious time just engaging in chats that does not pay you. Just go on this website and sign up and start chatting, start making money. It's as simple as that. Like I said, guys, stick to the end because I have one particular passive income idea that nobody or very few people are taking advantage of. They don't know that this thing is actually possible and they are just overlooking that. But before then, let's go to the next passive income idea that you as a student should consider. Now, this one is not for everybody because I believe not everybody can afford this as a student. But if you have a vehicle or you have access to a car that you can actually use for a day, you can actually rent out that car and get paid for just renting out that car. Or if you don't want to even rent it out, you can just use it for Uber or for delivery services. Just use the car to make some money, just some extra cash. For every hour that you work, you get paid some extra cash. So you can sign up for services like Uber and get paid for using your car to just drive people around, or you can decide to just rent out your car and make money renting out your car. Like I said, this one is not for everybody because not everyone can afford a car as a student. But if you have one, that's very good. If you have one, then your car can also make you some money. So make sure you take advantage of the car you have and rent it out and watch the cash rolling. If you don't want to rent it out, you can use it for delivery or use it for Uber. Now guys, let's go to the last passive income idea that I spoke about. This one is very lucrative, guys, and as a student you should consider this because there's a huge amount of money in this and you should not take it for granted. The last side hustle that you should take advantage of as a student is creating and selling social accounts. Guys, this one is a very lucrative side hustle because I have done this myself and I'm currently doing it as I speak to you right now. You can decide to create social accounts on different platforms. You grow them to a particular amount of followers or engagement, and then you sell it to potential clients or people or brands who need this account to market their services or market their product or their company. I have created different YouTube accounts that I personally do not plan on using them. I just wanted to sell them to people who need this YouTube account. I have people who have asked me to help them manage their social accounts, to help them manage their YouTube account, or to even help them create an account and grow it. So what I do now is I just create a YouTube account, random account, and just find content online and post on it, and I grow that YouTube account and see that it gets up to 1k subscribers, 5k, 10k subscribers, and then I sell it out to potential clients who need this. Now for an account of 1k subscribers, I can sell it for like $50 or $20 depending on the niche of that account or some other factors like the engagement. You can also do that also as a student. You might not necessarily do it on YouTube. You can also do that on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. So you can create accounts on these platforms and then sell them to potential clients or customers who need them to market their services. So this is very lucrative because you can have multiple accounts created and you can be managing them and running them by yourself. You don't even need to make videos to post on these accounts. You can just randomly get video from other creators and post on this account. The main goal is not to get monetized, because if you want to get monetized on YouTube, you need to make your own content. So the main goal is not to get monetized. The main goal is to just grow the following, grow the subscribers, and sell it to people who just need subscribers. You can also decide to make original content and monetize it and then sell it to people who need monetized accounts. So if you are selling a monetized YouTube account, you can even make more money from selling an account that is monetized, because if you have 1k subscribers and the account is already monetized, you can sell it for like $1,000 or minimum $500. Why? Because it is already monetized and is making money. So when a client buys it, they can just go straight to the point and start making content and start making money from the start. So it is more profitable to sell an account that is already monetized than to sell one that is not. But the goal here is to just make something that the audience or your client want and they are willing to pay for. So if you want to work on the followers alone, you want to just gain followers and sell to people who need followers like Instagram and TikTok, you can do that. Just create an account and grow the accounts to get that particular milestone that you want, maybe 10k subs or 10k followers or 5k followers, and sell it and make a huge amount of money. So these are the passive income ideas that you should consider as a student this year. If there's something you are not sure about or you don't understand and you want me to make a video on that, please let me know in the comment section and I will make a video about that. But in the meantime, stay subscribed and I will see you in the next video. But before you go, click on this video right here because YouTube wants you to watch it.